There you go. No.
Hey, these guys are doing something. What are you doing? Hey, like over there. Those are like the bosses, I think. They're like going back down. No, let's just. These ones are just like pretending to be working. This one's gonna look for some shade. There's something big going on under that leaf. They are having a meeting. Oh, there they go. They just put another big chunk.
More motherfuckers.
Don't be cussing. I'm trying to make a nature video.
Sorry.
I can't stop laughing.
Hard at work. The ads are hard.
They are. I'm fascinated by them. They're fire ants. Don't piss them off.
Sorry. I'm gonna say hi to them.
Yeah, the Chiefs are down there. You guys get your asses moving. How do they know where to set them? I wonder, like, if they have a strategic plan for how they set them up. They're just like building these mountains.
I know they do. Alright, guys. Grandma, grandpa, fucking daughters and sons, uncles and fucking whatever.
You just can't be quiet for the nature video, can you? Don't worry about those people going down the
Hey, don't forget about us
river in a boat.
We're over here.
We
Okay.
are recording ants.
Shebang. Okay.
Alright, they all are taking a break. Oh, here they come. That one had two.
I know you see me. Huh? That's right. Keep on boating along. I ain't afraid of it, old man. Keep on going.
Oh, you put ashes all over their house.
Well, I didn't. Mother Nature did.
Maybe I did. I'm the worst.
I'll be alright.
Hey, buddy. You going?